How to add friends in Brawlhalla and play with them. This video right here is super simple and easy, so this video does end up helping you. Make sure you like and subscribe. So what you have to do firstly is make sure you are on the latest update for Brawlhalla. And if you are, what you have to do from here is you're gonna have to scroll all the way down and click on this option right here where it's that custom game room. Should be the fourth option. It should be under battle pass and before strikeout. So just click on the custom game room. And once you click on this, you have two options. You could either join a room or you could either create a room. Right now, I'm gonna show you guys how to create a room. Then after that, I'm gonna show you how to join a room. So once you click on create room, you have two options, either a public room or a private room. So do you want to play with everybody? Do you want everybody to join or you just want friends to join? So I personally want just my friends to join. So I'm gonna click on private room. Once you do this, you're gonna have to select one of this, select the character. Then once you do that, just click on this option right here where it's that little. So just click on this little check option right here. Once you click on this little check option, there should be a room code on top. As you guys can see, mine is 396232. As you guys can see right here, you need that little code. You're gonna have to send it to your friend and they could join with it. Now I'm gonna show you how to join. So you just gotta go back and how your friends they could join and stuff like that. So you're gonna have to click on custom game room for your friends. Now they're gonna have to join, right? So they're gonna have to click on join room. Once they do that, they're gonna have to put in the code below. Once they put in the code and they click on join, you're going to be able to join your friends and play with them. And they're going to be able to join you and play with you too. So if this video did help you, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment down below if you need any help. Thank you for watching.